Hello, Transurfers and the Transurfing Curious. I am Renee Garcia, and this is TransurfingTV. And first, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so now. We would greatly appreciate your energetic contribution. And secondly, I am going to be running a contest for my super popular reprogramming stickers. I am going to select 3 lucky winners a week at random. Just thumbs up this video and type in the comment section below, "I love Reality Transurfing." These stickers are awesome for creating the wave of success, tuning your frequency, and really starting to trust that your world is in fact taking care of you. They are amazing, and good luck. So with that, I am going to start the 78 days of practical transurfing lesson for the day 25, cleaning your layer of the world. If you are experiencing burdensome feelings of emptiness, have a good cleanup at home or at work. Rearrange your furniture, get rid of accumulated rubbish and old things you no longer need. Then rearrange your possessions you need and value tastefully and with care. You will feel spurred energy and sparked joy. Cast away negative thoughts just as strictly and resolutely so that they don't sour your world. Fear, anxiety, doubt, negative expectations, dissatisfaction, judgment, resentment, feelings of guilt and inadequacy. Clear all of this rubbish off of your personal layer of the world. Vadim Zeland's interpretation. Constructive activity is the best cure for depression. The results are never long in coming. When you are creating something, no matter what it is, the soul regains a lost taste for life. Have a good old tidy up. Taking out the rubbish is a particularly effective remedy for depression. In the same way, clear up your entire personal world. Everyone creates the layer of their world they live in with their thoughts and actions. Your mindset and the way of thinking plays a fundamental role. Your world will become as you imagine it to be. If you perceive the world as an aggressive, hostile place, then that is how it will show up for you. If you believe that all the benefits of this world are only achieved by putting in huge amounts of effort, you will constantly find yourself having to work really hard. If you believe that wealth and success are the satellites of the elite, you will always find yourself standing at the back of the queue. The more negativity you have swimming around in your mind, the more miserable your reality will be. By getting rid of negative stuff, you will be surprised to find your reality increasingly taking on warmer and cozier shades. Whew, hot dog. I love this one. So I think what Vadim Zeland is trying to tell us here is that just as much as we need to clean up our mindset and rid our minds of these negative thought patterns, we also have to be aware of what is accumulating in our external environment that could possibly dirty our layer of reality, keeping things cluttered and keeping our frequency sort of out of whack. So for me personally, this is a big one. I am a constant creator. I don't watch a lot of TV. I don't do a lot of things with my time that aren't productive. So for me, having a clear mindset and a clear external environment as well, keeping my place tidied up, keeping my chores done, keeping everything in its right place, and also keeping my mind clear of negative thoughts. And he talked specifically in this lesson about creativity being really a cure for depression. And this is absolutely what has transpired for me. So to rid myself of depression, I am constantly creating and setting up my internal and external world to support me creating a nice blank canvas externally, and then my mind thinking positive thoughts in the direction of what I intend to have, rather than thinking negative thoughts about something or just having some sort of negative thought patterns. So he's saying throw out all the rubbish, throw out the external rubbish and throw out the internal rubbish as well. So don't forget, like this video, comment below. I love Reality Transurfing, and hopefully you'll be one of the lucky winners who get these awesome reprogramming stickers sent directly to you. I will also give some details in the field below. Thanks so much for watching my video, guys. Bye.